Few minutes. So what I will collect today is, or I will mark off today is worksheet. What was it?
35? 35.
Was it 35? Worksheet 35 and the take-home test. So both of those you need to have out. And we did quite a bit of the take-home test. So you have both those out, and I will. What I'll do is I'll ask you to put them on a specific desk. That way you don't have it. You have your whole desk to write down. All right, Abby, you want to do some square roots? Okay. Is there anything specific, or you want me to make up, or what do you want? Okay, so let's say we have like 7, and then we had square root of 98. Is that okay? So we're not looking for you to go square root 98 on your calculator and then go times 7. We're looking for you to break down.
98 is 5.
So 98, I get 2 times 49. 49 is 7 times 7. Agreed?
Yes.
So that comes out, and what happens with this 7? So that 7's right there, and then times another 7 equals root 2, or root 2. There's not equals. So that's 49 root 2.
Yeah.
That's all you have to do. Another example of that would be like if I had negative 6 and then square root of 32. Is that okay? So let's break this down. So I have negative 6, and then let's break 32 down. 32 is 2 times 16. 16 is 2 times 8. 8 is 2 times 4. 4 is 2 times 2. So we're looking for pairs, right?
Yeah.
That comes outside. So I have negative 6 times a 2 times a
2.
2. And then what's inside? Square root 2. Multiply outside. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. Negative 12 times positive 2 is negative 24 square root 2. Okay? Does that help you? So then you might also see ones like this where it might be 3 square root 18. Actually, let's go 13 square root 18 plus 7 square root 24. Okay? I cannot add them together because I have 2 different radicals. Agreed? Okay, so let's break things down. So 18 breaks down to 2 times 9. 9 breaks down to 3 times 3. Is that okay? Plus 7. 24 breaks down to 2 times 12. 12 breaks down to 2 times 6. 6 breaks down to 2 times 3. Okay? Looking for pairs. Is that right so far? Do the little math. That's what? 39 root 2 plus 14 root 6. Can I combine these together now? No. Hey, if the radicals had broken down into the same thing, could you then combine them together?
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. Anything else last minute? Yeah.
So if there's like a linear equation that says find the rate of change from like x to the whatever.
That's just your slope. Slope every time. Yeah, so that's a great one. So let's say we had f at x. F at x is the same thing as what? Y. And let's say we had negative 6x plus 7. So it asks you to graph it, so you know that your y-intercept's 7. And your slope is down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 1. So you have these 2 points. So 2 questions they might ask. What is the rate of change for f at x equals 6 and f at x equals 100? Let's just go obscure. Yeah?
That's a question. So first is on the EFS review.
Is this part of this question?
No.
Okay, can I finish this one? Thank you. All right. So what is the rate of change on this problem? Between 6 and 100. What about that? So I don't know. That's too big. What's the slope?
-6.
-6. So the rate of change for this problem is m equals -6. It doesn't matter what values I ask you to do it with for a linear equation, because a linear equation, the rate of change, the slope, stays the same. Okay? And they might ask you on this one, what is the y-intercept? 7. So you could write it as 7, or you could write it as 0, 7. Ram, what is your question now?
Okay, so on the EFS review, it asked us to make like an equation using a table. Making a linear equation using a table. So we have to do that.
You won't have that on the test now.
And yeah. So on exponential function, the growth factor is b, right?
Yes.
And then that, what would the
I don't think we're going to ask you that. I don't think we'll ask you the growth factor at all. Growth factor, no growth. No, you don't have, I'm not going to ask you the growth factor at all. Yeah.
Can you go over the square root parentheses, like how they multiply? Like the problem that you did before, but like when you had parentheses, they multiplied them.
So something like this. Something like that.
Yeah, but you like do it with parentheses, so like you multiply it by something, like a square root on the outside.
Like this.
Yeah, or
Which one you want? Or both? I'll work them both. Alright. That's 35. And then let's break 8 down to 2 times 2 times 2, right? Break 6 down to 2 times 3 with repairs. So that's 70, that's 140 square root 3. Right? If I had this one, this comes here and here, so that becomes 25. And then that becomes square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8, so 25 times 8, which is 400. All right?
So you like square root.
200? 200. Yes, 200. Yeah, if it's outside, it goes to both. Okay. I am not going to ask you if it's exponential growth or exponential decay. So that's a bonus.
You're not gonna ask us that?
Let's see, anything else? You're allowed to use a calculator. If you don't have one, I'll open up that cabinet for you. So, this is what I need you to do. We will, on these two desks right here, on one of the desks, I need the review. On the other desk, I need the practice test. Whoever puts the forms down first is the one who dictates. Make sure your name's on both. There you go.
The one who what?
Puts it down.
Schoology. Oh yeah, the Schoology thing. I'll let you guys sit down again.
Wait, so you handed out a review and a take-home test?
Yeah. Do you need the take-home test?
I need both.
You saw how fast you ran. Just put those pictures.
So what two things did y'all put back there?
Page 35.
35 in the review.
So worksheet 35
Oh, okay.
and the take-home test,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
All right. And last thing. There is an assignment on Schoology due Friday.
Is that extra credit still can be done?
Did I
that
say it was
extra credit thing we were about to do. One day, but that's
Yeah, this will. I'll count this as extra credit just for you, Gentry.
okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.